Hi, I'm Chandan from Shakudo. Today I'm going to show you how a marketing team can use Apache Superset on Shakudo to track and optimize their campaign performance. Shakudo is the operating system for data and AI. It brings together 250 plus best-in-class applications in one secured environment so that our users, that is you, don't have to stitch together DevOps, MLOps, and AIOps. Superset is an open source business intelligence platform for creating powerful interactive dashboards. It is available on Shakudo as a component. Without Shakudo, the traditional BI tools burden marketing teams with weeks of setup, IT dependencies, and ongoing maintenance. Shakudo changes that. It allows you to deploy Superset in minutes, iterate dashboards as campaigns evolve, connect new data sources instantly, and scale automatically as your data grows, all enterprise ready with built-in security. Your team stays focused on optimizing campaigns and not managing infrastructure. Let me show you how Superset on Shakudo can help marketing teams. For the purpose of this demo, let's consider the following scenario. The marketing team of a SaaS company runs campaigns across multiple channels like Facebook, Google Ads, Instagram, LinkedIn, emails. They need to track spend, revenue, ROI, lead quality, and conversion rates in real time to make data-driven decisions. Let's see how they can use Superset for this. Navigating to Superset from Shakudo is super easy. And we have a dashboard that has been created over here. So they go to the dashboard. And once you come to the dashboard, you see that you know the way the dashboard has been designed, that it shows the critical data, the key data, KPIs on top. So you have the total spend, revenue, the ROI. So all of that on top for a quick view. And then the next chart is where you have campaign-wise revenue and data, revenue and spend data, right? So if you come over here, you'll be able to see these data points. And then, the next chart gives a daily perspective, daily view of the daily spend and revenue, right? And this chart on the right shows you the conversion funnel for different regions. Moving on, the next chart goes even more granular. Right here, you have campaign-wise, channel-wise statistics, right? And then you have a pie chart showing the channel spend distribution. And then this table at the bottom basically has some of the raw data with analysis, right? So we have channel, we have their spend, revenue, ROI percentage. So all of that data is there. So the point I'm making is that Superset is quite flexible. It has capabilities which allows you to create the type of charts that you want to view, the kind of data that you would want here, so that you can take an informed decision, right? And one question that comes to mind is that where does this data comes from? Where does this data come from? You know, for this particular dashboard, the data comes from this particular Google spreadsheet. I have all this data in this spreadsheet. I have connected it to Superset, and I'm able to view all of that. There's no complex ETL pipeline that is needed. As the sheet is updated, the dashboard reflects the changes. Uh, for real cases, we can connect this to databases like Postgres, MySQL, or data warehouses like Snowflake and BigQuery. Uh, Basically, from a wide range of SQL-based data sources which are available on Shakudo, we can choose any of the data sources. Let's consider this example that the director of marketing wants to see which target audience are generating the most conversion, which is something that is needed for a better decision. Let's see how I'll show you how easy it is for the team to add this. We simply go to the charts and I click on creating another chart, right? So my objective is to create the chart that will show. um, And here in the pie chart, I select the source of data, which is my campaign performance sheet. So I select this source of data. I want pie chart. Here you see that there is a wide range of chart types that are available, right? So I select pie chart here, and then yeah, I move to the next page where I have the details, and in dimensions I select target audience. So all the data is already here. All I need to do is just select. And in matrix, I want sum of conversions. So I select conversions, and then aggregate, I select sum. Save it. I can further customize it. I can change the colors. I want it, for example, I want the orientation to be at the bottom. And I want this to be a donut chart. So I do this, and then I'm able to, this is created. I want to give this a name. So I CK demo audience performance, and I save this. Let me do it this way. I will not save it in any of the dashboards. I simply save this chart. This chart is now available. I go to the dashboard and I go to the marketing campaign dashboard. This is where I wanted to add. I click on edit dashboard and then I search for the chart. So I see it here. I bring it here and I let me put it here. Let me put it here. So okay, this this should come. So I'm able to add it here. Now let me put this. So I am able to put this side by side and then I save it and my dashboard now starts showing this data, this pie chart that I created. Now, as we saw, Superset offers 50 plus chart types. There is SQL Lab, which allows you to run different type of SQL queries. There, I can schedule email reports and role-based permissions. So, the role-based permission basically means you control who sees what. Marketing director, for example, gets full visibility while campaign coordinators might only see their specific channels, right? And this is what Superset on Shakudo is. Your marketing team gets enterprise-grade analytics without the infrastructure complexity. No DevOps is required. No deployment headaches are there. Just instant insights. Everything runs in your secured environment with full governance controls. This is how modern marketing teams make data-driven decisions at speed, right? So, thank you.